Okay, it is 9:54 on June 29th, 2012. I had to think of the year because I am dying right now. I just finished my first workout with Candace of Natural Rhythm Fitness. I am dying. She killed me. Yeah. But she didn't kill me in the sense that I'm like, oh my gosh, I never want to work out with her again. She killed me in the sense that it hurt really bad, but it was a good hurt. And I'm excited about the next workout. You know how you work out with some trainers and they just murder you and you never want to go back because you can't even fathom doing the workout that they put you through again. She actually made it enjoyable. She wasn't like that at all. She made it enjoyable. As a matter of fact, you don't know this, Candace. You will know this once you watch this, but you don't know this. I wore my heart rate monitor because I knew that my heart rate would get up really fast, and if you saw that my heart was about to explode out of my chest, you'd let me have breaks. So it's my way of cheating. It's a good cheat, but I knew that if I wore it, you couldn't kill me too bad. So yeah. But yes, I feel like I had an amazing workout and I'm exhausted, but I'm not dreading the next one. I'm actually looking forward to it. So, day one, let's go.